Hi, happy holidays. Welcome to the Thursday afternoon tune-up. I am Diane Spadola, and this is episode number 50. Woohoo! This video series is brought to you by Accelerate Your Success, the six-month business booster program for artists and entertainers. We have a private Facebook group where we just launched a cool new resource, and it's in the files section of my Facebook group called Accelerate Your Success. And it's the Taco Tuesday resource guide, all the apps and tools that our members can't live without. So jump on over, become a member, answer 3 simple questions, and then you can download the resource guide for free. Think of this video series as your information and inspirational pit stop before the race, which is your busy weekend. Today I want to talk to you about a way that you can investigate what's being said about you on the internet. This is a topic that's really near and dear to me. It's called a Google alert, okay? And you can set up a Google alert about your company. You can set it up about your personal name. You can actually set it up about any subject that you want to learn about and learn what people are talking about online. So if you want to know if body painting is a big thing and if people are doing searches on body painting, you can look at that. If you want to know if fantasy eye designs is something that's being talked about on the internet or being searched on, you can look for that. It's a great way to investigate what keywords are really popular. And I'm going to tell you briefly how to get it done. You're just going to do google.com/alerts, and you're going to type that into your browser. You're going to enter the search term that you want to track. And if it's, you want to make sure that if it's the exact phrase, like the name of your company, you want to put that in quotes. So that way Google will search for the complete phrase as opposed to each of the words in your search term one at a time. So if I want them to look at Diane Spadola, I don't want to just type in Diane Spadola. I want to put Diane Spadola in quotes. And you can adjust uppercase or lowercase to make sure that you get all the results. Then you're going to have a little menu, and you can kind of narrow your search on language, on how frequently you want to receive them, what sources do you want to receive them from. So you can narrow it down, especially if you're getting a lot of search results that are not useful to you. And then you just push a button that says create alert. And once a week, once a day, however often you specify, Google will actually send you all the mentions as a link for those topics that you are searching on. You can then make the decision as well about whether you want to actually read the article, look at those pictures, investigate that website, whatever it happens to be. You can do this whether you have a Gmail account or not. And if you have any trouble, you can join my Facebook group, Accelerate Your Success, and there's a whole little tutorial on setting up Google Alerts. This is especially important if you want to make sure that your blogging content is hitting the greatest need in the marketplace. So you can see what's out there in terms of face painter or entertainer blogs. You can also see what's missing in the world about entertainment or face painting or balloon twisting or balloon decor. Basically, it's kind of a way that you can identify what's going on without having to do a lot of research at the library. Always a good thing. Libraries should be used for taking books out, not doing homework. So, on that note, I hope that all of you have a fantastic, fantastic holiday season. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Personally, I think this look makes me look a little like the Statue of Liberty. It's not really what I was going for. But I do want to recommend that no matter what business you're in or what the state of your business is, that you take some time over this holiday period to refresh, to recoup, to renew, and to reset for the coming year. Happy New Year, and I will see you in 2020.